Today we're going to be looking at a free website builder, so stay tuned for this one. Hello and welcome. I'm Gaz Craswell of The Hero Lifestyle, here to give you hints, tips, tricks and reviews so you can successfully grow your business online. So as I said, we're going to be looking at a free resource to help you build a free website online, and it's called Google Sites. I've got it open here all ready to go so we can have a look at it, and I've already pre-built one so that we can just dive straight in and we can see one that's already made. So I've got one here called LM because for those of you who don't know, I'm an affiliate marketer and I promote and endorse a course called Legendary Marketer. Links below, it will be an affiliate link. All that means is if you click on it, I will be rewarded with a bit of commission at no extra cost to you. So just to have a quick look around first of all, this is sort of like the main dashboard that you come to. Obviously I've already got one recently made. So you can start off by having some templates at the top and you can choose one from there, and then you can just start off with a blank one. I think that's pretty much what I did, and built it up sort of from scratch. So if we take a look at the one that I've already done, this would be if I was to actually think about promoting the Hero Lifestyle using Google Sites. If you look at it, obviously you've got your top sort of header, banners, names. You can stick logos in the top as well. You can add a logo, and you can even add what's called a favicon. For those of you that don't know what a favicon is, it's that little what do you call it? A little sort of logo you get in the top left of your tabs. So you know, because if you've got something like a WordPress site or whatever, that tends to just have it with like a WordPress logo, whereas uploading your own favicon will put your own logo there instead. So it's something to bear in mind, and obviously this will do it as well. And yeah, so as you're going down, you can see I have made it kind of text rich essentially, but it's more just to kind of show you how easy it was to break down. You know, a lot of it was all kind of centered, put it into bullet points, and like I say, that's one sort of big block there. And then I've broken these down into, you know, a few images with a kind of subtext underneath, a bit more writing, and then this was actually imported. So this is a form that I use on my own domain to get people's details, you know, so I've got leads to go on from there, and that was nice and simple as well. I use Ionos to create this, and all I did was I copied the link for it, the coding, and I was just able to embed it straight away, and up it came. And what this allows me to do is if I was to put this live and actually publish it, when somebody puts their first name in and their email address and then they click the get instant access now, they'll be taken to my thank you page. Now, on the right hand side, I know I'm sort of covered up here. Let's see if I can just take that off quickly, the camera. So on the right hand side here, this is everything that you can insert. Like I say, it's got the layout already. It's got some layout preloaded stuff already there. Collapsible text, you know, you've probably seen it when you click on it and then it expands. Table of contents, dividers. Well, I mean, you can read for yourself there. You can even put in YouTube videos. So what's great about that is, let me just get the camera back on. What's great about the fact that you can even embed YouTube videos is you could then use that as another free resource for a thank you video. So what I mean by that is if we have just a quick look at the way an affiliate marketer would set up their pages. First of all, you come to a landing page, which is what I'm showing you here with the Google Sites. Once you click the Get Instant Now, you'll go to a thank you or a bridge page, and then from there they will then go on to the product that you're promoting, or, you know, in my case they'll then go on to Legendary Marketer, you know, to learn how to do tips and tricks for this kind of thing. But what I like about Google Sites is if we take that into consideration there, and just remember that for a second, landing page, thank you or bridge page, and then the product page. When we go back on here, on the right you have got pages. So I've just got my landing page now, but if there's a plus, I think it's right behind, typically right behind the camera. If I click on that plus, I can then have another page, or I can just duplicate this one so I've got the same theme and the same setup, and then do my thank you page from there. So let's just do that a sec. copy a landing page. We'll call this a thank you page. And as you can see, it's duplicated. I'm probably not going to want all of this in there, but like I say, it's just purely for this demonstration. Let's delete all this out. But what I want to get across is, let's say I wanted to use, didn't even mean to do that. Let's say I wanted to use this area here. I'm not going to need that. I'm going to need that essentially. So let's say I just wanted to use this area here. What I could then do is just insert my YouTube video. So I can search it in there. I don't know if anyone's already made a thank you page. Let's have a quick search. But I could put in my thank you video. Okay, these are just music videos. I'll stick in my thank you video. And then I can just add a button at the bottom. And the button will be like, you know, access now. And then that'll go on to you can either link that to a page or you can link that externally to another site. Okay, so what's great about this is you can hit your landing page, push that onto your thank you page, and then again create a button and go onto your product page. And it really is sort of that simple, which is great, because when it comes to marketing, you want to keep things simple anyway, not just for you for creation of it, but for the customer or potential customer, you know, your lead, because a confused mind will not buy from you. It's that simple. So if you keep the congruency, and with the thank you page and the bridge page, what you're able to do there is to kind of set them up for what's happening on the next page. You know, when they hit the product page. So for example, on my thank you page, you know, first of all, I sort of congratulate them for taking the first step to getting that far, and then I'll let them know that I'm about to take them to, you know, someone called Dave, who'll take them through all the training that they need to be able to implement the same things that I'm doing. Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there. I know that's a bit of a quick one, but hopefully that can help you out if you are maybe stuck, or you don't like WordPress, for example. You're maybe not getting on with Wix because that's another free website builder, or you just want to maybe just map out and see if this is any good, then you have got Google Sites as another tool, another resource to at least look into and check out. Hope that's been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Drop a comment below if you want me to go through anything again, or if there's something you didn't understand. I will come back and read through the comments, so please comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I will see you on another video. Cheers, take care.